Today we are going to reveal 5 foods that have been scientifically proven to boost performance and stamina by enhancing blood flow, increasing energy levels, and supporting hormone production. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can naturally enhance your reproductive health and overall well-being. Stay tuned to find out which common foods can significantly boost your performance, each with its unique features. You won't believe how something so simple can make such a big difference. Now let's start our countdown with number 1. Ginger is well known for its medicinal properties, particularly in improving blood flow and supporting arterial health. This potent route works by enhancing circulation throughout the body, which is crucial for maintaining optimal health and stamina. A study published in the Journal of Cardiovascular Pharmacology in 2015 found that ginger has significant vasodilatory effects, meaning it helps to widen blood vessels. This vasodilation facilitates increased blood flow, ensuring that essential nutrients and oxygen are delivered more efficiently to various parts of the body, including the reproductive organs. In addition to its vasodilatory properties, ginger is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which contribute to overall cardiovascular health. These compounds help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can negatively impact blood flow and arterial health. By mitigating these factors, ginger supports a healthy circulatory system, which is essential for maintaining high sensual performance and stamina. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to consume 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger or 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger powder daily. Boil water, add freshly sliced ginger, simmer for 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy your homemade ginger tea. Regular consumption of ginger can lead to noticeable improvements in blood flow and overall cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to your diet for enhancing sexual performance and stamina. Intrigued? Let's uncover more. Number 2. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that offer numerous health benefits, particularly for improving blood circulation and cardiovascular health. These small berries are rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are compounds known to enhance endothelial function. Endothelial cells line the blood vessels and play a crucial role in maintaining vascular health. By improving the function of these cells, blueberries help ensure that blood vessels remain flexible and efficient in transporting blood throughout the body. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2013 found that regular consumption of blueberries can significantly improve markers of cardiovascular health. The study highlighted that participants who consumed blueberries daily experienced improvements in blood pressure and arterial stiffness, both of which are key indicators of cardiovascular health. This makes blueberries an excellent addition to your diet for supporting overall heart health and enhancing sensual performance and stamina through better blood flow. The recommended dosage for reaping these benefits is 1 cup of fresh blueberries daily. Their versatility makes them an easy and tasty way to boost your daily intake of antioxidants and support your cardiovascular system. Number 3. Beets are a powerhouse of nutrients, particularly known for their high nitrate content, which plays a significant role in improving blood flow. When consumed, dietary nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps to relax and dilate blood vessels, thereby enhancing blood circulation and reducing blood pressure. This process is crucial for ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to various parts of the body, including the reproductive organs, which is essential for maintaining steady sensual performance and stamina. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2012 highlighted the benefits of beetroot juice on blood pressure and exercise performance. Participants who consumed beetroot juice experienced improved blood flow and reduced blood pressure, demonstrating the potent cardiovascular benefits of beets. These improvements can lead to better physical performance, increased energy levels, and enhanced sensual health. The recommended dosage for beets is 1 cup of beet juice, or 1 to 2 whole beets daily. Beets' natural sweetness and versatility make them a delicious and nutritious addition to your daily routine. Isn't it fascinating how such a root vegetable can make a monumental difference in our health? And speaking of monumental impacts, our next food is one that many of us often overlook. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is renowned for its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for improving heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, play a vital role in reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and improving overall cardiovascular function. These benefits contribute to better blood flow and a healthier heart, which are crucial for maintaining sensual performance and stamina. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2010 found that regular consumption of fatty fish like salmon significantly improved cardiovascular health markers. Participants who included salmon in their diet experienced lower levels of triglycerides, reduced blood pressure, and improved arterial function. These improvements help ensure that blood vessels remain flexible and efficient, promoting better circulation throughout the body. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to consume 2 to 3 servings of salmon per week, with each serving being about 3.5 ounces. Number 5. Chili peppers. Chili peppers are a vibrant and spicy addition to any diet, and they come with impressive health benefits, particularly for improving blood flow. The key compound responsible for these benefits is capsaicin, which gives chili peppers their heat. Capsaicin has been shown to stimulate blood circulation and promote the release of nitric oxide and other vasodilators, which help to widen blood vessels. This process improves blood flow throughout the body, including to the reproductive organs, enhancing sensual performance and stamina. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition in 2014 found that capsaicin can improve vascular health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are known to impair blood flow. Regular consumption of chili peppers can therefore support better cardiovascular function and overall circulatory health. The recommended dosage for reaping these benefits is to include chili peppers regularly in your diet. Even a small amount of chili can have a significant impact, so start with a level of spiciness you are comfortable with and gradually increase it as desired.